प्रणाम सभी को। एंड अजय जी, बहुत आपका आभार, ये आपने कंसेप्टलाइज किया और इसको एक्टिवेट किया डॉक्टर योगेश कोठारी के लीडरशिप में। एंड मैं यही कहूंगा कि जेपीएफ जब हमने बनाया था तो ये सोच के बनाया था कि हमारे पास बहुत सारे इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट हैं जो कि लक्ष्मी के पुजारी हैं। दे कैन बाय माउंटेन्स, परचेज माउंटेन्स, लेकिन जब उनको when they want to move mountains they need professionals because ultimately execution कर रहा है हर चीज का business में. That is how JPF was formed. So this is just a 20-second intro of JPF, Jeetu Professional Forum, and I would like to invoke prayers to start anything auspicious like this, which is helpful to all. So let us play Navkar Mantra, which is the Maha Mantra for Jain Dharma. And Akash ji को co-host बना दीजिए please.
Yes.
हाँ, बना दिया.
Aditi ji, let's play the prayers. Puniji, you'll have to unmute yourself. Puniji, you'll have to unmute yourself. Puniji, you will have to unmute.
जीतो के सभी पदाधिकारियों को सादर प्रणाम और सभी डिस्टिंग्विश्ड गेस्ट को मैं इनवाइट करता हूं इस फोरम के ऊपर. और अगले प्रोसीडिंग्स के लिए आई वुड लव टू हैंड ओवर टू डॉक्टर योगेश कोठारी हु विल टेक दिस फॉरवर्ड. सभी को प्रणाम.
थैंक यू. डॉक्टर योगेश जी is a senior cardiologist. Yes, he is there. Yeah, he is a senior cardiologist. Dr. Yogesh, you will have to unmute yourself.
Yeah, unmuted, sir.
Yeah, please go.
Thank you all, and thank you, Jeetu. And I think Jeetu as a journey for me when I joined Jeetu and what it is today in my day-to-day activity. It is formed now a major part of my everyday activity in the sense that every day 20 to 30% of our time goes for some activity related to Jeetu, and Jeetu has really made us make a difference to our community, and it is helping us deliver to the community what we always intend to do. And I think Jeetu is the platform which has really made a huge difference. And by adding the Jeetu Professional Forum under the leadership of Ajay Bora and all the other Milinji and other team members, I think we are able to deliver what is our strengths. So Jeetu has a lot of strengths, but the good thing is Jeetu is able to leverage the strengths of each person that he can deliver. So when it comes to say corporate, then Puneet ji is there in the forefront. He brings all the corporates on board, and we are able to do a lot of things. So this is a pandemic situation. The entire country is suffering from this pandemic, and from the healthcare point of view, we always wanted to do something for the community, which make some difference to the community, and we modeled this out initially in a small scale. And once we saw the success of that small scale model, then we had bigger visions. And Ajay Bora ji, after the initial guidance which he gave it to me, then he said that let us roll it out in a bigger way. So we are already starting to do it in Maharashtra, and we have already started discussions to do pan-India. I think there was a very, very important meeting to do a pan-India rollout of this entire initiative. And I think in probably a week or 2 weeks, once the Maharashtra is tested and going smoothly, I think we will look at more and more geographies where we can launch this COVID helpline. To tell you briefly about COVID helpline before I hand over back to Ajay and Milinji to take the proceedings. Basically, COVID helpline, what we are trying to do is, if you look at 100 patients of COVID, 90 of these patients are probably asymptomatic or minimally symptomatic, and 10 patients are those patients who need an hospital-like care. And out of those 10 patients, 4 patients or 3 patients are needing ICU. This 10 patients problem solving is a very big challenge. The whole country is trying to grapple with these 10 patients. But our aim is that, these 90 patients should not go into those 10 patient category. So that is what we are aiming, that, we monitor these patients, we try to treat them early so that, they don't land up in that 10 patient category. They remain in that 90 patient category. And that is our major aim, so that the burden on the very severe resource crunch healthcare is very much reduced by treating them at a community level in a more aggressive way. And we have done those protocols, and we have already tested those protocols. ICMR has given the protocols, WHO has given a protocol, and we have adapted all those protocols and made a protocol which suits us. And by using these protocols, we have seen in our 2,000 to 3,000 patients that we have treated in Bangalore, that, the hospitalization rate in these 2,000 patients that we have seen, 2,000 plus we already touched. In these 2,000 plus patients that we have touched, the hospitalization rate is very, very low. I think hardly 2 patients, which is 0.02%. I don't know, Milinji must quickly tell me the calculation. Hardly 2 patients needed admission in these 2,000 patients, because even though they had lung disease, we treated them a little aggressively, we identified them aggressively. And this definitely has made a difference to the community. And the patients are really very thankful that they are getting everyday free consultation and everyday follow-up. We have given them charts to monitor and all those things. So this is what is the brief, the nutshell of the COVID helpline, which we are planning to roll out in Mumbai. And in Mumbai, we have gone one step ahead, where we have brought in a very, very easy platform. And thanks to Dipenji and his team, who put up this platform in just about 72 hours. So we have brought people who are so very used to WhatsApp. And Ajay Bora and Milinji were always passionate that we want something which is very, very easy to use for the people. We do not want something which is very complex. People already used to WhatsApp. Let us do something in WhatsApp. And then Dipenji came in and chipped in. And I think we have got an excellent platform going, which is based on a very simple day-to-day use. Even a 80-year-old or a 90-year-old person knows how to use a WhatsApp. And using this WhatsApp, we are able to deliver the consultation, both video consultation and audio consultation, without disclosing the doctor's number. And I think that's a huge achievement, which DigiShield under Dipenji's leadership could achieve. And I think without wasting much time, I would hand over back to Milinji and Ajayji and Punitji for further proceedings. And I will support in whatever way I can Sancheti-ji, and we will want to make this program a big success in Mumbai, rest of Maharashtra, and going forward, we want to roll out into the pan-India.
Thank you, sir. And then Gautamji Bhansali, sir, who is the part of the, is a critical leader in the COVID task force in the state of Maharashtra from Bombay Hospital. He has joined in. Welcome, sir. Our guest of honor today, Dr. Gautamji Bhansali. We also have a lot of dignitaries from Indian medical associations, so we welcome all of them, and we will soon get into their addresses and their blessings as well. Over to you, Milind bhai.
Yes. Thank you. Before we move ahead,
you'll have to unmute.
Yeah. Before we move ahead, हम लोगों ने ये जो लॉन्च जो प्लान किया है मुंबई जोन के साथ में, तो मुंबई जोन के हमारे चेयरमैन पृथ्वीराज जी कोठारी एंड जोहित भाई एंड मनीष जी, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू. इन लोगों के सहाय से हम लोग ये प्रोग्राम पूरा लॉन्च करने जा रहे हैं आज. जीतो की एक खासियत रही है कि जब भी कुछ घटना घटती है कि नेशनल लेवल पे कोई इशू है, कुछ भी है, तो जीतो इमीडिएटली स्विंग्स इनटू ऑपरेशन. जैसे पुलवामा के वक्त भी ये देखा गया था कि एक बहुत ही अच्छा कंट्रीब्यूशन जीतो की ओर से किया गया था. इसमें हमारे गणपत जी चौधरी, इनका इतना प्रोएक्टिव रोल रहता है कि पूछो ही मत कुछ. मतलब वेरी वेरी क्विक टू रिस्पॉन्ड, एंड ही इज वेरी अलर्ट, एंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ all ears to the ground, he is able to take decisions quickly. And last time when we discussed with Suraj ji also, the Suraj ji also was also very keen to roll out something which can be really helpful to a general and common public amongst ourselves also and amongst other societies also, so much so, right? So it becomes imperative that we must listen to our leaders, thought leaders. So I welcome Ganpatji Chaudhary, our chairman, Jito chairman, so he can address us and he can give us some idea that what are his thoughts and how we are expected to go ahead. Welcome, Ganpat bhai.
He's our national chairman and very powerful, influential person, a true visionary and leader joining in from Ahmedabad. Ganpatji sir, you'll have to unmute yourself.
Now you have given me permission. Okay.
Yes, sir.
जय जिनेंद्र, प्रभु श्री महावीर के चरणों में नतमस्तक वंदन। और आज के हमारे चीफ गेस्ट डॉक्टर जयलाल, नेशनल प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडियन मेडिकल एसोसिएशन, और दूसरे हमारे कोरोना वॉरियर और हमारे ही एक बहुत डायनामिक एक्टिव सदस्य ऐसे गौतम भाई बंसाली, आज हमारे जोन के चेयरमैन श्री पृथ्वीराज जी कोठारी और उनकी टीम, हमारे प्रोफेशनल फोरम के चेयरमैन अजय भाई बोरा, डायरेक्टर इंचार्ज मिलिंद भाई, और जितने भी जितो के पधारे हुए पदाधिकारी प्लस नेशनल मेडिकल एसोसिएशन के पधारे हुए पदाधिकारी, सबका मैं पहले हार्दिक अभिनंदन और स्वागत करता हूं। मित्रों, जैसे मैं अभी डॉक्टर साहब को सुन रहा था, द नीड ऑफ द आवर इज व्हाट वी कैन डू एंड जितो इज ऑलवेज इन अ फोरफ्रंट ऑफ सर्विस। Although Jito is an organization of the traders and industrialists, and the name itself says the trade organization, but whenever it comes to seva, which is our the third objective, the Jito is never behind. जैसे मिलिंद भाई ने बताया, पुलवामा हो, फ्लड हो, और जहाँ भी कहीं जरूरत होती है, लास्ट पूरे साल के अंदर में करोड़ों लोगों को खाना खिलाया, करोड़ों लोगों को किट दिया, पैसे दिए, साधर्मिक की सेवा किया। This is all responsibility. Coming to the today's situation, which is very unforeseen and very unpredicted situation which India is facing today. And in this kind of situation, no government alone can do everything. It is very abused to raise finger and say that ye nahi hua, wo nahi milta hai, ye nahi milta hai. But it is time that every individual, every human being, every citizen of the country has to come out to do something, including the social organization like Jito. And I'm really very happy and proud that our professional forum has come out with this helpline idea, which is really very commendable. And it will be, in true sense, as I was listening to Dr. Saab, that 90% of the people need only the consulting by the phone or by video conferencing for the basic treatment. They don't need to rush. And if we can hold them there, then it will also ease the situation in the hospital. Today, people are in a panicky. And because of the fear factor, everybody, as soon as he get corona positive, they rush to the hospital, which is not required. And we all know, again and again, government, doctors, everybody is saying that the patient who can be treated at home, we should hold them there, and it is for their safety and their comfort also. And this, the helpline will definitely will help all the community Jito member and other member, that how they can get the best treatment from the best doctor without even stepping out from their home. So what can be the better situation than this helpline? So I personally, and on behalf of entire Jito Parivar, Jito family, my heartiest congratulations to Ajay Bhai Bora and his entire team of professional forum. Our director in charge, Milind Bhai, a very active and very dedicated Jito member. I have worked with him. So आपको भी बहुत बधाई। एंड पृथ्वीराज जी कोठारी, बॉम्बे जोन इज एवर रेडी। जहाँ कोविड का मैटर आता है और कोई सेवा का मैटर आता है, तो पृथ्वीराज जी के शरीर में कुछ अलग ही एक एक्टिविटी और अलग एनर्जी आती है। अभी 3 दिन पहले ही इन्होंने कोविड सेंटर का ओपनिंग किया, 100 बेड का, विद ऑक्सीजन, विद लॉट ऑफ फैसिलिटी, विच इज ए वेरी यूनिक कोविड सेंटर विच वी हैव सीन इन द वीडियो। सो सेवा उनके रग रग में भरी हुई है और उनकी टीम भी इतनी उत्साही है। तो मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि जो मुंबई में आप शुरुआत कर रहे हैं पूरे मुंबई वासियों के लिए, क्योंकि आज मुंबई इज ऑन द टॉप ऑफ दिस इन्फेक्शन, तो मुंबई को इसको बहुत ज़रूरत है और मुंबई के सारी वासियों को ये बहुत ही उपयोगी और अच्छा साबित होगा। फिर से जितने डॉक्टर्स आज इंडियन मेडिकल एसोसिएशन, उनका भी मैं जितो परिवार की ओर से स्वागत करता हूँ। जितने हमारे सदस्य सुन रहे हैं, आप इस बात को जन जन तक पहुँचाना है। ये मैसेज और ये व्हाट्सएप और इसका जो लिंक है, इसकी पूरी, जब तक लोगों को मालूम नहीं पड़ेगा कि इस टाइप की हेल्पलाइन अवेलेबल है, तब तक उसका उपयोग और उसका लाभ कैसे उठा पाएंगे। तो मेरा सभी जितो परिवार के सदस्यों से निवेदन है कि इसको हर मेंबर तक, हर सदस्य तक, जितने भी हमारे बॉम्बे में एक आदमी के व्हाट्सएप में ये मैसेज जाना चाहिए कि नाउ दिस फैसिलिटी इज ओपन एंड प्लीज मेक यूज ऑफ दिस फॉर योर ओन गुड, for your own family good and for all your society and community good. So I am sure that this will go a long way. So once again, thanks to JPF team, Jayji and Milinji for bringing out with such a noble idea. And I am sure it will be very, 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 very beneficial to public at large and society and community and also for India. So thanks for innovative idea and my best wishes, and we are always with you if any assistance is required. Thank you for inviting me for inauguration. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू गणपत भाई, वेरी वेरी एनकरेजिंग वर्ड्स। एंड हम लोग तो आपसे सीखते रहते हैं कंटिन्यू, कुछ ना कुछ तो आपसे सीखना ही हमें, नो डाउट अबाउट दैट। आई वेलकम अवर वेरी डायनामिक प्रेसिडेंट, यंग एंड डायनामिक ऑफ कोर्स, सुरेश भाई, वेलकम, एंड आई रिक्वेस्ट यू टू एड्रेस द गैदरिंग हियर प्लीज।
थैंक यू मिलिंद भाई। सभी को सादर जय जिनेंद्र। डॉक्टर्स फ्रॉम द इंडियन मेडिकल एसोसिएशन, द नेशनल प्रेसिडेंट्स डॉक्टर जयलाल, श्री गौतम जी भंसाली, योगेश जी, अब सब बाकी सब, संचेती जी, सब डॉक्टर्स, whether they are part of IMA or not, from Jito Professional Forum, office bearers of Jito Professional Forum, Milind Bhai, the director in charge, Ajay ji Bora, the national president, and all my committee members who are present here today. I think this is one defining moment of Jito. It is always said that the right thing, if it is done at the right time, it solves 50% of the problem. So what Jito through the Jito Professional Forum network is aiming to do is the right thing, which is need of the hour. And I think Jito has time and again risen at the need. Whenever there has been a need arised, we have always risen to the occasion. And this occasion is not far behind. As rightly pointed out, I think there is a limitation to which what we can do. But within this limitation, what we are aiming to do is we are addressing those 90%, and which also is going to take away the load from the already stretched medical infrastructure in the country that we have. As a community, we have started this to cater to our own community members. But as we go along, I mean, in the meeting that we have had, that we would like to scale up this infrastructure to such a level that we are able to be of use to even, general public outside our community. So I think it's a great moment. I mean, we are all privileged to be a part of this august gathering today with amongst all the doctors. It's a very, very noble cause for which we have assembled here today. And Yogesh ji, Kailash ji, they're already handling the Bangalore and Karnataka, which they have extended today to Goa, the whole of Karnataka. And likewise, Kailash ji is already working in to create this kind of a helpline for Chennai. And today there is a launch of this rest of Maharashtra. Prithviraj Kothari is here today, our zone chairman of rest of Maharashtra, Mumbai zone. And I think he is always one of those encouraging and inspiring personality who's only by the mere presence of this man, we all get motivated, we all get inspired. Sri Vijayji Bansali, Vijayji Bandari, our national vice chairman, is present here today. He's always been ever inspiring, and I think he is leading from the front at the rest of Maharashtra. I think in Pune, the amount of work which is being done in the COVID relief segment is phenomenal. Not to mention, Ganpatji Chaudhary, our national chairman, is always a very, very positive person who's always inspired us to do the right things at the right time. So, Milind Bhai, Ajay ji, I think all the very best to each and every member of your committee for putting in, because for us to attend an inauguration function is a very, very small thing. What we are seeing, there is a lot of hard work which has gone behind this. I'm sure I was just a part of a few meetings, but I'm sure there were series of meetings, hours and hours of meetings, which you have indulged in to come to a stage where you can launch it. Manoj Mehta from our working committee is also a person in charge from our working committee for this Jito Professional Forum. I've kept hearing from him the amount of hard work that has gone into creating something like this. I wish this platform all the very success, and I'm sure this has got all potential to be scaled up to an all national level, and to cater to the immediate needs of our Jito members. So all the very best and my good luck to everybody. Thank you all.
Thank you, Suresh bhai. I will like to mention one important point. Right from the day one, when there was a sudden surge in COVID patients, so Sureshji was the first person to call in that we need to do something on this. So that shows the complete responsiveness to the entire situation around. And Sureshji, of course, with your total encouragement, we are here to drive the project very efficiently. And whilst Ganpat bhai mentioned the kind of work that has been done in Pune, so long this COVID is concerned, they have already set up 3 big jumbo COVID centers. And we have Vijayji Bhandari, who also happens to be our vice chairman here. So he will also, I will like Vijay bhai to be invited and he'll share his experience.
Milind bhai, before Vijayji can take over, I forgot something to say. I think I would really express my heartfelt thanks to the Indian Medical Association for having come forward, and by their sheer presence itself is motivating us. I think we will never ever forget on Jito's behalf. I would like to express my deep gratitude to the entire Indian medical fraternity, Indian Medical Association fraternity, and we, as a reciprocation, whatever that we are expected to do, we would like to offer. So please do let us know as Jito, as an organization, if we can be of any help to you. We would be. It will be our privilege and our pleasure to be a part of that. And the other thing, Milind bhai, also I would like to say that while we are all working hard, there's a lot of other resources which are required, like efforts, time, efforts, energy, and there's one very important resource is money. And I must acknowledge that Ajayji Bora, who's our national president of JPF, has consented and agreed to bear the entire expenditure of this launch today. And I was just figuring out what are the numbers. It amounts to something like 6 to 7 lakhs a month, and he has come forward and said that he is going to bear the entire expenditure of this. So my deep gratitude to Ajayji Bora, while you're doing your responsibility as the national president, but I think you have come forward voluntarily to donate this money. Itself is a testimony of the fact that service is in your blood. So thank you, Ajayji, for this great gesture that you had to do for Jito. Thank you.
That's really bhai. Thank you so much. Of course, it sounds strange that I'm congratulating you because we come from the same project, right? But nevertheless and nonetheless, that's a wonderful gesture. And ये तो भगवान महावीर की कृपा है कि हम लोगों को ऐसी बुद्धि मिलती है. तो congratulations Ajay bhai. I invite Vijayji Bhandari.
Milanji, just a second, I am interrupting. Should we welcome our National IMA President from Delhi National Headquarters? May I request you to welcome our National President of IMA, Dr. Milinji.
Ajay bhai, you please do.
Over to you, Dr. Sancheti ji. You want to? There are a lot of office bearers from Indian Medical Association, national as well as state level. Sancheti sir, do you want to just welcome them and then?
First, I'd like to welcome who has joined just now, our National President, Dr. Jailal.
Yes.
He's from New Delhi headquarters. So I welcome him, sir.
Yes. Welcome, sir. And sir, we have seen your resume. You not only are MBBS, MD, but also an MD and PhD. So it's a real honor for us. And as our Honorable President has said, that we are so fortunate to have so many of you attend. We also have the President of Maharashtra, Indian Medical Association, National Chief Secretary, Secretary General also. So welcome, sir. We would look forward to your blessings. We'll come to that very just briefly, because today is a working day. All of you are fighting battles in the operating room and beyond. So we will be very crisp and focused. Thank you, sir. Welcome. Yeah. Vijayji Bhandari, sir.
सादर जय जिनेंद्र. जूम मीटिंग में पधारे हुए सभी गेस्ट, मतलब हमारे जीतो के सारे अधिकारी पदाधिकारीगण, हमारी पूरी जेपीएफ की टीम, और हमारे जो कहते हैं कि आज जिन्हें हम भगवान बोलते कि भगवान जब सफेद वस्त्र में आते हैं तो डॉक्टर कहलाते हैं, ऐसे पूरी हमारी आईएमए की टीम. so nice to be here. सबसे पहले तो मैं जीतो को मतलब जीतो हमेशा हर वक्त पे हर घड़ी में जब भी कोई आवश्यकता होती है तो हम लोग खड़े हो जाते हैं उसके सामने। हमारे मिलिंद भाई ने जैसे बताया कि पुलवामा से लेकर और गणपत जी ने बताया कि और सुरेश जी, दिस ऑल पीपल आर ऑलवेज रेडी टू वर्क हार्ड। ये सबसे बड़ी बात होती है। इसके साथ साथ आज ये पृथ्वीराज जी कोठारी साहब का मैं सिर्फ एक ही बात में इतना कह दूंगा कि उनके मन में जो बात आती है, उनकी जो शुरुआत होती है और उनको जो काम करने का उनका तरीका होता है वो एकदम बढ़िया सा एक अलग सा होता है। ये आज जो हेल्पलाइन की हमारी जो शुरुआत होने वाली है 100% इट विल हेल्प लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल। और जब IMA और सारे ये इतने सारे लोग जब हम लोग इकट्ठा आकर काम करेंगे तो देयर विल बी अ ह्यूज हेल्प फॉर द पीपल हु आर रियली होम क्वारंटाइन। पुणे के अंदर ऑलरेडी हम लोगों ने 3 कोविड सेंटर चालू किए हुए हैं एंड पुणे इज गोइंग इन अ वर्स्ट स्टेज राइट नाउ, बट दिस विल रियली हेल्प पीपल। क्योंकि कोविड पॉजिटिव होना एक अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ा डर होता है और उस डर से बाहर निकालने के लिए जब एक हेल्पलाइन के लिए अगर एक सिंगल फोन, ये सारी चीजें बहुत काम करने वाली है। मेरे आने वाले लोगों ने बहुत सारी बातें कही है। मैं ये चाहूंगा कि कोरोना जल्दी से जल्दी निकले, लेकिन आप लोग जो काम कर रहे हो, खास करके अजय बोरा जी, मिलिंद जी, आपकी जो टीम जिन्होंने मतलब मैंने काफी मीटिंग्स आपके अटेंड किए, यू पीपल आर रियली वर्किंग हार्ड फॉर दिस एंड आई थैंक फॉर दैट। और ये हेल्पलाइन 100% काम करेगी। आपने मुझे इस इनॉग्रेशन में बुलाया, इसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच सर।
थैंक यू विजय भाई। मैं एक बात जरूर से बोलना चाहूँगा कि कभी भी कुछ भी इशू आता है, छोटा मोटा इशू है या कुछ ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर का जरूरत होता है तो आई यूज्ड टू कॉल विजय भाई एंड ही ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू एनकरेज कि आप डरो मत, आप काम करो, मैं ऑक्सीजन का इंतजाम कहाँ से भी करवा दूंगा। क्योंकि ग्राउंड पे जब फायर फाइटिंग करना पड़ता है तो वो ग्राउंड वाला ही जानता है कि क्या इशू रहता है। तो विजय भाई थैंक यू, यू हैव बीन ऑलवेज देयर। Thank you so much for that. Now I will invite Hitesh Bhai, our Secretary General, very soft spoken, but in terms of gathering of information, in terms of analytics, in terms of taking decisions, he's a really amazing person. Hitesh Bhai, I request you to guide us.
Thank you, Dinesh. Of course, Jai Jinendra and Pranam. I know there is a time crunch today, so I would just like to thank you, the entire Indian maternity, the medical maternity, all the doctors. And I know that a lot of, I don't have the exact number, probably Dr. Lal will speak about that, but the number of doctors have sacrificed their life and you all are working 24/7 for all of us. For that, we are really thankful to you. And from Jito side, I would like to put the Anumodna to all of you. Thank you, Milan Bhai, for inviting me. And my best wishes.
Thank you, हितेश भाई। अभी ये जो पूरा प्रोग्राम हम जो जोन के साथ में करने जा रहे हैं, मुंबई जोन, तो मुंबई जोन जहाँ पर अपने पृथ्वीराज जी चेयरमैन है उसके, आई विल रिक्वेस्ट पृथ्वीराज जी टू टेक ओवर। पृथ्वीराज जी।
हाँ, आवाज आ रही है मिलिंद?
Yes, we can hear you, पृथ्वीराज जी।
या सभी को सादर जय जिनेंद्र। जितने भी डॉक्टर यहाँ पे है पधारे हुए हैं, सभी आए इंडियन मेडिकल के, उनको सबको मैं साधुवाद देता हूँ, धन्यवाद देता हूँ जिन्होंने इतना कीमती समय निकालकर इस वेबिनार पर आए। मैं उनका सबका धन्यवाद देता हूँ। और इस वेबिनार में जो हमारे जोन के जितने भी है, वो चेयरमैन भी है, उसके बाद में चैप्टर से और बहुत से डिग्नेटरीज आए हैं, उनको भी मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ कि उन्होंने समय निकाल कर इस आए। मैं ये बात मानता हूँ कि मुंबई जोन और जीतो स्पेशली इस पेंडेमिक सेकेंड वेव के टाइम पे हम लोग बहुत स्लो हो गए हैं। नो डाउट हमारी गलती थी कि हम लोग उसको भाप नहीं सके थे। मुंबई जोन भी बहुत पीछे रहा इसमें। हम 1 महीने जो वेव फर्स्ट में हम लोगों ने जो काम किया था वो जो सबसे आगे आए थे, और इस टाइम पे हम लोग थोड़े से पीछे हो गए थे। हम लोग ओवरसीज पूरे जगह को फॉलो करते थे, पर डॉक्टर साहब कहीं पे भी हमको ऐसा नहीं लगा कि ऑक्सीजन की इतनी भारी मात्रा में कमी आ जाएगी। जो राजस्थान जो हम लोग सेफ गिनते थे, MP है, गुजरात है, राजस्थान है, उनको हम लोग रहते थे कि ये भाई ये तो यहाँ पे सूखी हवा है, यहाँ पे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती। बट ऑक्सीजन जो हम लोग आज जो त्राय हो रहे हैं, हम लोग मतलब हम लोग बोल नहीं सकते, हमारे पास वर्ड नहीं है। मैं जो हमें समझ में नहीं आया नहीं तो हम लोग पहले से उसको प्रिकॉशन करके रख लेते थे। मनी अभी पैसे की यहाँ पे कोई कीमत नहीं रही है। मनी इज नॉट अ क्वेश्चन। मैं अजय भाई का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ जिन्होंने ये ये जो सॉफ्टवेयर जो डेवलप किया है ऐप के साथ में, सबसे बड़ी आज की टाइम में मरीजों को जो जरूरत होती है गणपत जी, वो है एक तरह का कोई डिस्कस करे, उनसे कोई बात करे। मैं आपको कहना चाहता हूँ कि जैसे हमने जीतो कोविड सेंटर चालू किया, आप यकीन करोगे कि पेशेंट आने कम हो गए, क्योंकि उन्हें एक विश्वास होता है कि नहीं हमारे लिए एक जगह उपलब्ध है। आज हॉस्पिटल में फोन करना, बीएमसी को फोन करना, बहुत सी दिक्कतें आती है। हम लोग रात भर जाग के पेशेंट को एडमिट कराते हैं, तो हमें इतना दुख होता है कि पैसे की कोई कीमत ही नहीं है डॉक्टर साहब। तो अभी ये जीतो सेंटर होने के बाद में लोगों को एक होप हो गया। वी हैव अ 375 बेड इन साउथ मुंबई विद 200 बेड ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, HDU, एवरीथिंग पॉसिबल। अभी हम लोगों को जब पता चला, हम लोगों ने हर चीज पॉसिबल कर ली, पर अब पेशेंट हमारे पास कम है, बट लोगों को एक शांति हो गई है कि नहीं, जीतो हमारे लिए खड़ा है, जीतो सेंटर है हमारे पास में और हम वहां पे कभी भी जा सकते हैं। तो लोगों को एक विश्वास हो गया है। कोविड, नो डाउट, एवरीवन नो इट्स अ डर से ज्यादा सबसे लोग भयभीत है। मैं अजय भाई बोरा का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ, सभी डॉक्टर को जो दिन रात जो सेवा करे, द वॉरियर है, उनको मैं सलाम करता हूँ। पूरा जीतो मुंबई जोन, हमारे जोहित कुमार, मनीष कुमार की तरफ से मैं आप सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ। हमारे लायक कभी भी कोई भी सेवा हो, हम एनी टाइम आपके लिए उपलब्ध रहेंगे। आपको कभी भी कोई भी चीज की जरूरत हो, कोई इंस्ट्रूमेंट मंगाना हो, कोई भी चीज, आप हमें जस्ट बताइए। पूरी में नेशनल लोग है इसमें, अगर हम लोग सब साथ में जुड़ के इस महामारी को हम लोग बहुत जल्दी ठीक कर लेंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू वंस अगेन। सभी डॉक्टर्स आपको मैं बहुत बहुत साधुवाद धन्यवाद देता हूं जो इस वेबिनार में आए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
थैंक यू पृथ्वीराज जी। आज के मीटिंग में हमारे एक सेक्रेटरी जनरल सतीश जी पारक भी आए हुए, मैं उनका भी स्वागत करता हूं। अभी ये पूरे मीटिंग के दौरान हम लोगों को वर्किंग कमेटी से बहुत बड़ा सहयोग मिला। उसमें मनोज तो आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी कॉल्स वी हैव मेड। मनोज भाई आपको तो मतलब याद किया, मैंने आपको 12 बजे भी फोन किया, 1 बजे भी फोन किया है। So Manoj bhai, your help has been really phenomenal in terms of rolling it out. Siddharth, of course, wonderful input by Siddharth also. Mahavir ji, Paras ji, Nabira ji, Gautam bhai. I'm really thankful to the entire working committee. They have really gone extra mile, extra step in helping us out. कभी भी कुछ भी दिक्कत रही तो working committee has always stepped in and helped us out. So thank you so much. और आज के हमारे प्रोग्राम में हमारे जोन के चेयरमैन भी है कमलेश जी, कांतिला जी, विमल जी, सर्वेश जी, मैं उनका भी स्वागत करता हूँ। एंड आई इनवाइट अजय भाई टू टेक द proceedings ahead. Ajay bhai.
Thank you, Milind bhai. Now it's as we all know, we are just facilitators, but the real saviors or the real messiah or the God for the patient are the doctors, and we don't want to take much of your time away from your patients and away from the operating rooms and your clinic. So over to you, Dr. Ji. So we would be very glad to hear from the medical fraternity, and we will seek their guidance. So as our leaders have expressed, we express our heartfelt thanks and the sense of gratitude for what you have been doing, being on the front of it and saving the nation. And for us, you are the gods. Over to you, Dr. Satyajit.
Thank you very much, Ajay bhai. First, I'd like to know that we started with Mr. Ajay bhai, Mr. Milinji Shah, and Dr. Yogesh from Bangalore, who took the initiative that they had requested that we should start something for Mumbai and Pune zone. So I would say it was a great opportunity to have this. I would say इंद्र धनुष जैसा है कि ये लेना है और उसको पूरा करना है, सक्सेसफुल करना है, क्योंकि केसेस जो है कम से कम मोर देन 4 लाख केसेस देख रहे हैं अलग अलग, इसमें 40,000 केसेस अलग अलग जगह दिख रहे हैं। पुणे और मुंबई ये सबसे टॉप मोस्ट अफेक्ट हुए हैं। बिकॉज ऑफ दैट वी थॉट कि वी शुड गो फॉर आइसोलेशन सेंटर्स। वैसे मेरे ख्याल से डॉक्टर विजय भंडारी, इन्होंने जंबो सेंटर्स 3 चालू किए हैं पुणे में। अतिशय मेरे ख्याल से बहुत अच्छी तरह ये मैनेज कर रहे हैं। जहाँ उनको कुछ खामियां है, हम लोग IMA के लोग जो है उनके सपोर्ट में हम लोग खड़े रहेंगे। अभी इसमें मैं फर्स्ट सबको यानी साधुवाद कहता हूँ, जय जिनेंद्र कहता हूँ। यहाँ डॉक्टर गणपत जी, डॉक्टर गौतम बंसाली जी, सुरेश मुथा जी, डॉक्टर पृथ्वीराज कोठारी जी जिन्होंने अभी बात की, मांगीलाल जी मेहता, मिस्टर जोहित कुमार बहुत अच्छी तरह से हम लोगों को ब्रीफ किया, सेवा परमो धर्म है और यही लेके उद्देश्य हम लोग डॉक्टर्स के लिए फाइट कर रहे हैं। बहुत सारे जो डॉक्टर्स हैं, मेरे ख्याल से 800 डॉक्टर्स इसमें शहीद हो गए हैं। इसमें अभी हमारे जो प्रेसिडेंट साहब है, आई वुड लाइक टू इनवाइट हिम, डॉक्टर जयलाल, इज अ लैप्रोस्कोपिक सर्जन, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ IMA नेशनल हेडक्वार्टर्स न्यू दिल्ली। ये कन्याकुमारी से है, कजूथराई गांव से। इनको बहुत सारे अवार्ड्स मिले हैं, इसमें यानी पब्लिकेशंस भी इनके ऊपर है कि बहुत सारे चीज इन्होंने किया है। ये रोटरी के प्रेसिडेंट रह चुके हैं, तिरुवल्लुवर मेडिकल कॉलेज में प्रोफेसर है, नेशनल हेड ऑफ यूनेस्को भी है, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट कॉमनवेल्थ के भी है। तो आई विल रिक्वेस्ट our national president to brief us and to guide us in this critical situation which Pune and Mumbai has landed, so that we will keep our patients in isolation centers and guide through this COVID helpline which we have planned. So I request him to say some few words for launching of this, I would say, very prestigious work and noble work. Sir, please.
And sir, if I can just take the liberty to add one thing, sir, about you, that we are in awe of the doctors, no doubt. But in addition, you also have an MBA degree and a PhD degree while taking on the responsibility to lead the medical fraternity as the IMA president. So you have so many accolades to be proud of. We are really privileged to have you as our guest of honor today, sir. Thank you.
Great. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, my beloved and respected Dr. Ajay Boraji, the president of the Professional Forum of the JITO, the person who has introduced me and the person who knows me a lot and working with the Indian Medical Association, Dr. Rajan Sanchetti, the IMA Pune treasurer, the director in charge of this JITO Professional Forum, Dr. Milind Shah ji, Dr. Yogesh Kothari, Dr. Prithiviraj, the zone chairman of the Mumbai zone, Dr. Manish Jain, Dr. August Chopra, and other distinguished leaders of JITO and the guests who have joined here. I take this opportunity to salute you. I know for sure JITO as a professional, as a global organization, which is serving to uplift the socio-economic empowerment, value-based education, the practice of compassion, spread of global friendship, spiritual upliftment, and other objectives with which you are doing a great job internationally and doing a service to the mankind with all your might and with the passion and with the commitment. I'm extremely happy to note, and you have formed this professional forum, and which comprises and all the stalwarts in the profession of the different sectors, and say it's a medicine, say it's an architecture, or it is an agriculture, or in whatever the administrative setup. All these professionals you have brought in together and have a vision and has a passion to serve the humanity. That is what makes you a different. That's what makes you a special. And there are so many people, so many opportunities and so many avenues in their resource, but they do not have the mind to help others. And it is that what is making one as a human being in this country is the mind to serve others and mind to help each other. And only when we have that opportunity, when we have that commitment, and we will be able to serve the humanity with a lot of interest and a lot of passion. I was so moved by the word said about Dr. Ajay Boraji, who has the courageous decision, who was able to take the courageous decision to take the responsibility personally to organize this program entirely on his own self. And with that happiness, with that joy, with that enthusiasm, and he is not saying that he is contributing so much, but it is with the great joy and the personal satisfaction Dr. Ajay Boraji is doing this great job. So all this makes me immensely happy to participate this in event of great help to these our fellow colleagues of this country. Unfortunately, India is going through a very crisis situation, which most of us has not expected. Such kind of a spike of cases and calamity and the chaos situation will arise. And we are getting calls from everywhere part of the country. People are struggling hard to find a place in an hospital, get an oxygenated bed and certain drugs. And the fortune is at very low for the people who are suffering below the poverty line. But at this moment, and we need, and as rightly said by our leader, It cannot be, we cannot point the finger on someone and say that you are done the wrong, that is why all these calamities here. But it is a time that every one of us interact with each other and come together and hold our hands together and do something good to the society. It's the individual contribution, however small it may be, when many of us are able to join together and do that individual contribution, and that is going to make a sea change in the arena for us to overcome this corona pandemic. I'm extremely delighted that Jain Professional Organization has come forward to organize this exclusive the moment, the telemedicine concept for the people who are now taking care in the home isolation. Today, we do not have enough beds to admit everybody in the hospital care. And equally, we do not have every manpower or the medical personnel to take care of those people. And we need to have but some kind of, care, some kind of help has to be extended for the people who are going to take the home isolation care. Because we are getting often a very sorry figure, because the people who are sitting in the home thinking that they are normal, absolutely normal, and suddenly entering into the stage of happy hypoxia, and when they are coming to the hospital, our hands are tied and we are not able to do anything to save their life. So this can be prevented. This can be definitely proactively, we can extend our helping hand to the people not entering into the trap of happy hypoxia and losing their life. And that is possible by monitoring them and having a consultation with them and giving inputs for them to what to do, what not to do. And when they have a doubt and an anxiety, there must be a word and there must be a hand which can be support them and encourage them. So this today, the most important tool which is helping us a lot is this telemedicine, which can definitely help us, which can definitely ensure us, every one of us in the amidst of our busy schedule, spare few hours or few minutes to the people who are in need and able to help them in whatever way the little possible. Our knowledge is sharing our knowledge with them. So at this pretext, when your organization is coming forward to organize this telemedicine help for the COVID people who are suffering in with the COVID in the home isolation, it is a phenomenally a fruitful step which you have taken. I'm sure that it will going to save the lives of hundreds of our people who are suffering with the COVID in the home isolation. Not only that saving their life, it is giving a life to them. Somebody can live when they are living with a fear, when they're living with an anxiety, with a fear, they are living with a tension. And this telemedicine can definitely give them some hope and give them some joy and give them some support and give them some encouragement. So that to be extended, I'm so much delighted to be the part of it. And I assure you, all our Indian Medical Association faculties, doctors, junior doctors, whoever support you need, if you need any manpower support, if you need any consultation support, Indian Medical Association will be too willing to be part with you, too willing to be as a take part in your great burden of carrying out this process. At the same time, I was also impressed with the assurance given by the JITO and the professional forum that you will be also extending your helping hand to the medical fraternity, which is working beyond hours to overcome this corona pandemic. I must, with great pain, I must inform to you, as on date today, in the last 25 days of the second wave, we have lost 116 our doctors. In the first wave, we have lost 750 doctors, but that was a long time. There was only the people of the above 65, the most of them who have we lost is of that age of more than 65. But today, if you look back to the 116 people, many of them are in the age of 40 to 50. That's the time where they are going to settle their life, and there's the time where they are going to take care of their family. But they, instead of chosen to take care of the people who are coming with pain and agony into the COVID ward, and they stood in the front and served as a frontline workers, and without fearing their disease, without fearing their what is going to happen to them, but only to do some help to the people. And in the bargain, they got infected and they lost their life. Most often, the death rate in the doctors are more because we are exposed to the voluminous load of viral load. The viral load with which the doctors are exposed are very, very high. That is why the death is also very high. Every day, when Indian Medical Association we are meeting, we often used to say a prayer that is called IMA prayer, which goes like this. As a doctor of this society, I do not want to be in heaven or reborn, or I do not ask for any crown. but I desire only to alleviate the sufferings of the humanity. There is a very difficult prayer to say to someone, I do not want to be in heaven, or I do not want to have a crown, or I do not want to be reborn, depending upon their religious belief. But every doctor in Indian Medical Association, when he is coming to the meeting of IMA meeting, they recite this prayer because they give much importance to serving the humanity and helping the people who are suffering under the disease and anguish is the most important priority concern. I respect that feeling. I vouch for that, and that is why Indian Medical Association working hard on this time of pandemic and in every part of the area, every part of the country, and we are trying to help the people when they are at the need. And I appeal to the JITO organization, and if it is possible, please help the COVID martyrs and who have sacrificed their life for the country, and it is our responsibility that we are also respecting them and helping them. Another important request I would like to make to you, in this COVID pandemic, what is the most important tool one can use to prevent this corona is only immunization. This vaccination which we are doing today, the COVID and Covaxin vaccination, which the country is passing through, is a most important tool which we can use to overcome the corona pandemic. If you look into the country like Israel, where they have done vaccination for more than 60% of the people, and then the country is now opened up, economy is growing, and now they are not having any restrictions on corona because they were able to immunize the maximum number of the people. And that is need to happen in this country, and we will not be able to tolerate this high dose of the 3 liters, 3.5 to 4 lakhs of people coming to the hospital with infection. By vaccinating an individual, we are going to save the oxygen, we are going to save the remdesivir drug, because it is sure a person who is fully vaccinated will not get into a severe kind of disease. So we need to accelerate, augment the vaccination drive. But unfortunately, the government has now put for a differential pricing system. That means a Covaxin to be used in the private sector, someone has to pay 1,250 rupees as a cost for the drug, and incidental charge it will make 2,500. For a family of 4, it will make 10,000. I am sure that many of our colleagues in the private sector, the poor people, will not be able to do that. So we, all of us, the good-hearted people, all the noble-minded people, we need to do 2 things. One, we need to pressurize the government to make the universal vaccination available at an affordable price, or the free to all the people. And if the government is not budging, at least we need to come out and get this vaccine and make it available to the needy people at their doorstep at a lower price or an affordable price. Indian Medical Association is taking a pledge to at least to do 1 million vaccination free of cost, to purchase this vaccine from these vaccine donors and supply to people who are at need at free of cost. Because even in government centers, which the central government is going to give, the vaccine will not be free from 18 to 45 years of age. It will be available only for the people above 45 years. It is given free. So there is another challenge. It is a big job. All the like-minded people and the people with the noble thoughts has to do some work so that we will be able to take part actively, not only bringing the immunity for an individual who is getting the vaccine, but 60% of the people, if we can get the vaccine, and the country will also get a herd immunity and thereby overcome the disease. And these are the big challenge in front of us, I am sure, and we will be able to do, because I know for sure, and I was so much happy to note, and you have contributed 200 crores to the PM Care Fund in this COVID pandemic. That is a tremendous altruistic job, work we have done, and I'm looking forward to continue to do this service. And I assure, as a president of Indian Medical Association and leading nearly 3.5 lakhs doctors, and whatever the help you need in the medical side, either in the technical side or the manpower side, and we are there to support you, encourage you. Let us all hold our hands together and work for the mission that India shall be freed from this corona pandemic at the earliest, so that we will all be able to live together happily, with the compassion, with dignity, and with the pride of being an Indian. Thank you very much for this opportunity. I take officially this moment to declare open this concept of project, which is going to help thousands of our COVID positive patients in this country. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. And we have noted down all your suggestions, and so painful to hear that 116 COVID martyrs there and from the healthcare fraternity. It's very saddening to know. However, we will take it up on our end, as Jito is a very compassionate organization, and we would come back with certain thoughts collectively what we can do, and what you said as the prayers that the doctors take. Hats off to you, sir. Thank you. Hats off to you. Now we just have our other special guest of honor today, Dr. Gautamji Bhansali, who is from Bombay Hospital, and also a critical member, the leader at the Mumbai COVID Task Force, Maharashtra State COVID Task Force. Over to you, Dr. Bhansali, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot for inviting me on this such a great platform, especially the जीतो जिसका नाम ही काफी है, तो हमेशा हर चीज में फिलेंथ्रोपिक वर्ग में सबसे आगे रहता है। हमने लास्ट टाइम भी देखा जब फर्स्ट वेव थी, उसमें भी जीतो में स्पेशली पृथ्वीराज जी कोठारी, जिनसे मेरा रेगुलर टच में रह रहे हैं, बात हो रही है। फर्स्ट टाइम में भी उनके मन में इतनी जिज्ञासा थी कि हमको कुछ समाज के लिए करना है, हॉस्पिटल में बेड नहीं मिल रहे, मारामारी चल रही है, क्यों नहीं हम कुछ ऐसा करें। तो काफी लोगों का ये था कि नहीं कर नहीं सकते, पॉसिबल नहीं है, क्योंकि आपके पास में इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नहीं है, सेटअप नहीं है, आप कैसे पेशेंट को मैनेज करेंगे। लेकिन इनके दिमाग में था कि नहीं, हमको करना है, हमारे जीतो को करना है, हमारे पास फंड की कमी नहीं है, 50 लोग हैं जो आगे आके देना चाहते हैं। और फर्स्ट वेव के अंदर बहुत ही बढ़िया काम हुआ जीतो कोविड सेंटर के अंदर। इसी तरीके से इस बार भी उनकी इच्छा थी कि हम लोग जीतो का डेडिकेटेड आईसीयू सेटअप वगैरह बनाए। तो आईसीयू सेटअप के लिए काफी सारा इश्यूज थे, लेकिन फाइनली एचडीयू सेटअप, ऑक्सीडेटेड बेड और वो सारी चीजें व्यवस्था 350 बेड सिर्फ साउथ मुंबई में इन्होंने पृथ्वीराज जी कोठारी और उनकी टीम ने पूरा अवेलेबल करवा के दिया, जो हम लोगों के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा, जिसे कहते हैं लोड शेयरिंग। हम आज मुंबई के अंदर, मैं चीफ कोऑर्डिनेटर भी हूँ, मुंबई के सारे प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल और नर्सिंग होम के बेड मैनेजमेंट, ट्रीटमेंट, प्रोटोकॉल, उन सब चीजों के लिए। और जब सेकेंड वेव आ रही थी तब सबको मालूम था, इनफैक्ट हमको ये था कि यूके यूएस हमारे से 3 महीना आगे चल रहे हैं, हम उनसे 3 महीना पीछे चल रहे हैं। जब वहां पे खत्म होगा तब हमारे यहाँ पे केरला, महाराष्ट्र एंड उसके बाद में रेस्ट ऑफ द कंट्री में ये सेकेंड वेव आएगी। और सबको मालूम है जैसे स्पेनिश फ्लू था उस टाइप से ये सेकेंड वेव भी एक सुनामी के जैसे आने वाला है। सुनामी जो स्पीड से आती है वो स्पीड से निकल भी जाती है। आज महाराष्ट्र में स्पेशली अगर मुंबई में देखेंगे, बहुत ही अलग तरीके से काम हुआ। हमारे म्युनिसिपल कमिश्नर ने, गवर्नमेंट लेवल ने, हर तरीके से लीडरशिप ने, डॉक्टर्स ने, जो भी हेल्थ केयर प्रोफेशनल्स है, सबने इस तरीके से काम किया। आज मुंबई के अंदर केसेस हम देखें तो आज की डेट की बात कर रहा हूँ, आज हमारे पास में 2597 केसेस ही है मुंबई के अंदर। डे बाय डे केसेस बंद हो रहे हैं, कम हो रहे हैं। जो 11,000, 12,000, 17,000 तक केसेस चले गए थे मुंबई के अंदर, पीक हमारा आ चुका है, प्लेट्यू आ गया, अभी हमारा डिक्लाइन फेज चल रहा है मुंबई के अंदर। बेड अवेलेबिलिटी आराम से हो रही है। आईसीयू बेड का जो प्रॉब्लम था वो भी ऑलमोस्ट सॉर्ट आउट हो गया मुंबई के अंदर। सो केसेस काफी अच्छे ढंग से कम हो रहे हैं, कंट्रोल अच्छा आ रहा है, लोगों का बहुत इसमें सहयोग रहा। जिसे कहते हैं पब्लिक का जो पार्टिसिपेशन है, बिना पब्लिक पार्टिसिपेशन इस तरह का चीजों को कंट्रोल में नहीं किया जा सकता, क्योंकि ये एक महामारी है, वैश्विक महामारी है, पूरा विश्व इससे दहल गया। ऐसा नहीं कि हम लोग ही परेशान है, बाकी जगह भी परेशान। हमारे यहाँ पे हेल्थ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर अच्छा नहीं था, लेकिन जो पब्लिक की पार्टनरशिप रही, लोगों ने जो आगे बढ़ के काम किया, जीतो जियो जिस तरह से आगे बढ़ के आए, उन्होंने अपना दिखाया कि हम लोग काम कर सकते हैं, करना चाहते हैं। एज ए वॉलंटियर पेशेंट को ट्रांसफर करना है, ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई करना है, खाना दिलवाना है, पीपी किट बांटने, मास्क बांटना है, हर लेवल पे ये कल्चर सिर्फ हिंदुस्तान का है। बाकी किसी भी कंट्री में आप नहीं देखेंगे कि वहां पे कोई सोशल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आगे आए और उन्होंने काम किया है। और इसी की कड़ी में जो एक और अगला कदम इन्होंने जीतो ने उठाया है, वो ये कोविड हेल्पलाइन नंबर। आज भी जो हमारे पास मुंबई में केसेस है, उसमें से 86% केसेस एसिम्प्टोमेटिक है। बट वो इतना पैनिक है घर के अंदर, बिकॉज ये जो सेकंड वेव है, इस सेकंड वेव के अंदर हमारे यंग पेशेंट बहुत चपेट में आए हैं। यंग पेशेंट मतलब 20 साल से लेकर के 40, 45 या 50 साल तक की उम्र के लोग, वो बहुत ज्यादा चपेट में आए हैं। इसके अलग अलग कारण हो सकता है, या तो उनको ये लगा था कि हमको पिछले 1 साल में कोविड नहीं हुआ तो हम सुपर हीरो है, सुपरमैन है, हमको इस बार कोविड नहीं होगा। शायद वो थोड़ी लापरवाही रह सकती। या एक हो सकता कारण ये था कि ये लोग ही है जो वर्किंग क्लास है, जो काम पे जाते हैं, ऑफिस जाते हैं, रेस्टोरेंट में भी ये जाते हैं, मॉल में भी ये जाते हैं, और काम करना इनकी मजबूरी है, क्योंकि इनके ऊपर डिपेंडेंट इनके बच्चे भी है, इनके पेरेंट्स भी इनके ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है। तो ये मोस्ट मोबाइल पॉपुलेशन है, जो वायरस को लेके घर में भी जा रही है, वायरस को फैला भी रही है। इसलिए हम लोग बार बार गवर्नमेंट से डिमांड कर रहे थे कि जो 20 से लेकर के 45 साल 50 साल तक के लोग हैं, इनको सबसे पहले वैक्सीनेट करना चाहिए। इनको अगर हम लोग जितना जल्दी वैक्सीनेट करेंगे तो शायद बाकी पॉपुलेशन को बचा सकते हैं। एनीवे, अभी वैक्सीनेशन का प्रोग्राम भी चालू हो गया है। और इसीलिए ये जो सेकंड वेव है, सुनामी है, इसमें यंग लोग हमारे बहुत ज्यादा जा रहे हैं, बहुत ज्यादा चपेट में आ रहे हैं। और इसमें मुझे लगता है जिस तरह से एक भय का वातावरण बना हुआ है पूरे देश के अंदर, आप अगर कोई भी न्यूज चैनल उठा के देखेंगे, दिन भर आपको एक ही न्यूज मिलेगी कि वहां ऑक्सीजन की कमी से ये मर गया, वहां ये हो गया। और अधिकतर आपको अगर वो पिक्चर दिखेंगे तो यंग लोगों के पिक्चर दिखेंगे। जो फर्स्ट वेव में ओल्ड एज के लोग थे, सेकंड वेव में यंग लोग ज्यादा जा रहे हैं। इसमें जो ये जीतो का कोविड हेल्पलाइन है, मुझे लगता है बहुत ज्यादा राहत भरा काम होगा, बहुत बड़ा हेल्प करेगा इसके अंदर। क्योंकि मेरा खुद का फोन मैंने देखा है कि एक तरह से कॉल सेंटर बना हुआ है। 24/7 रात को 3 बजे भी है, 4 बजे भी है, सुबह नहाते हैं तभी भी फोन चलता है, ब्रश करते हैं तो फोन चलता है, हर वक्त फोन चलता है। और इस वक्त हमको भी लगता है बेचारा कोई भी कुछ नहीं मांग रहा, एक भी पेशेंट ये नहीं कहता है कि हमें डिस्काउंट दे दीजिए, हमें थोड़ा पैसा कम कर दीजिए, कोई नहीं मांग रहा। हर व्यक्ति की एक ही है, साहब हमें थोड़ा बेड चाहिए, हमें ऑक्सीजन बेड करवाना प्लीज, हमारे रिलेटिव को ये हो गया, हम क्या करें, घबरा रहे, एक अलग टाइप का पैनिक सिचुएशन क्रिएट हो रखा है। मुझे लगता है इस सब चीज के बीच में जो एक टनल के एंड में कहते हैं लाइट रोशनी दिखती है, वो जीतो का जो ये कोविड हेल्पलाइन नंबर आप ओपन कर रहे हैं, ये बहुत बड़ा फायदा साबित होगा। आज हमें लग रहा है कि शायद कितना फायदा होगा कितना नहीं होगा, लेकिन अगर 1 महीने बाद हम बैठेंगे इसके ऊपर डिस्कस करेंगे तो शायद मुझे मालूम सबको लगेगा कि जिसका भी ये विजन था, जीतो का विजन, जीतो के जितने भी डिग्निटरीज इन लोगों का ये विजन था, ये एक बहुत बड़ा कदम रहा है। और शायद इससे सीख लेकर के बाकी सोशल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन भी इस चीज को चालू करेंगे। सबसे जो बड़ा मेरा एक रिक्वेस्ट है जीतो के सभी बड़े डिग्निटरी से, क्योंकि जैन सोसाइटी है, सारे लोग इसके अंदर है, क्यों नहीं हम लोग अभी खड़े हो जाएं और अभी हम लोग एक प्लान करें कि इंडिया के हर स्टेट में, हर कैपिटल के अंदर हम लोग क्यों नहीं एक वर्ल्ड क्लास हॉस्पिटल बनाते हैं। हमने अभी तक जितने भी बनाए, अनफॉर्चुनेटली कह सकते हैं कि जितने भी हॉस्पिटल अगर बनाए होंगे तो छोटे मोटे प्राइमरी हेल्थ केयर सेंटर, सेकेंडरी हेल्थ केयर सेंटर, या गांव में किसी के लिए बना दिया कि चलो किसी के दादाजी के नाम पे, पिताजी के नाम पे आपने हॉस्पिटल कर दिया। हमें चाहिए कि हमारे पास पेइंग क्लास के लोग आए, चैरिटी वाले लोग आए, हर तरह के लोग आए, बट हम लोग वर्ल्ड क्लास हॉस्पिटल बनाए, वर्ल्ड क्लास इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर देवे। और मुझे लगता है जीतो के पास इतना फंड है, जीतो में इतने सारे भामाशाह भी है कि पैसे की कोई कमी नहीं होगी। अगर हम चाहें तो आने वाले समय में, और इसमें अगर एक मुहिम लेके चले, हिंदुस्तान की हर स्टेट की कैपिटल के अंदर, चाहे वो जयपुर हो, चाहे वो बॉम्बे हो, चाहे वो पूना हो, चाहे वो बेंगलोर हो, एक बड़ा हॉस्पिटल 200-300 बेड का बड़ा हॉस्पिटल तैयार किया जा सकता है। इतना पोटेंशियल जीतो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर है। जिस तरह से जीतो ने काम किया है और प्रोफेशनल फॉर्म ने काम किया कोविड हेल्प के लिए, कोविड सेंटर के लिए, और अभी जो ये हेल्पलाइन नंबर है, मेरा सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है, ये सिचुएशन थोड़ा सा अलग है, ये एबनॉर्मल सिचुएशन है और इसमें हमारा रेस्पॉन्स भी एबनॉर्मल होना चाहिए। हम लोग शांति से बैठ नहीं सकते कि नहीं नहीं आराम से होगा, निकल जाएगा। दिस इज अ टिपिकल एबनॉर्मल सिचुएशन एंड आवर रेस्पॉन्स शुड बी टोटली एबनॉर्मल। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you, sir. Over to you, Sancheti sir. There are a lot of other dignitaries from Indian Medical Association. Sancheti sir.
Thank you very much, sir, for excellent talk and guiding us in this COVID pandemic. Now, I'd request, I think Dr. Prasanna Raj is there. He has raised the hands. Would you like to speak, Dr. Prasanna Raj? Okay.
Dr. Prasanna Raj Singhvi sir, ex-additional secretary, Medical Council of India. Over to you, sir. Just briefly, 1 minute or so, because a lot of doctors are staying away, including yourself. Yes, sir.
Yeah. First of all, Jayalal is also a Jito member. J starts with J only. And probably his father's name also is J.A. So he is already connected with the higher soul also. And we promise you from the Jito organization that we want to actively participate at the national level for the immunization campaign. Let us join together and make a joint venture for the people who cannot afford. See, if one case occurs, we have to spend thousands of rupees or maybe lakhs of rupees, and we are not guaranteed. But if we can vaccinate, probably we are protecting the guy. So it is very important point to what Professor Jailal has told, that Jito should participate in the whole national vaccination campaign, so that with the IMA.
Yes, sir. Dr. Singhvi sir, Dr. Prasanna Raj sir, we have already.
Manpower. So
sir,
this
if I can just add to that, Dr. Prasanna Raj sir, if I can just add, our honorable president just had convened a meeting yesterday, and there is some discussion underway where Jito at the national level is exploring the ways if we can hold some vaccination camps. So those discussions are at advanced levels now. Two
So,
rounds of meetings
yeah,
have happened.
No,
So
if
we'll
you
be-
want any help, I am also from public health only, from AIMS.
Yes.
We will develop the strategy.
Sure. We will do that, sir. Sure. Thank you, sir. Thanks for your time and thanks for joining this session. Over to you, Sancheti, sir.
Thank you.
And
Thank you very much. May I
especially
request,
Gautam ji from Bombay Hospital. I know him quite well. He is
Okay.
like Lord Buddha only.
Okay, good.
Ajay bhai.
Thank you, everyone,
Yes, sir.
Milan Saab, everyone. Prithviraj ji. Thanks a
Prithviraj
lot.
ji.
All the doctors' fraternity. Thank you very much.
Sir.
may I request our Dilip Sarda ji is a Maharashtra Medical Council member to say a few words. He has also joined, I think. Dr. Dilip Sarda, sir.
Prithviraj ji, sir, you were saying something?
हम लोग ने ऑलरेडी कल एक एप्लीकेशन दे दिया है 20,000 हमको वैक्सीनेशन प्रोवाइड करने के लिए डॉक्टर अदर पुना वालों को हमने कल जीतो के लेटरेट पे ये भेज दिया है कि हमको जीतो के इतने करने हैं उनके लिए हमको 20,000 वैक्सीनेशन की बॉम्बे में जरूरत है और सेकंड हमने जो वैक्सीनेशन और किया है जो अपने जितने भी साधु महाराज बॉम्बे में है उनके लिए हमने वैक्सीनेशन का ड्राइव स्टार्ट कर दिया है तो कल हमने बाइकेला चैप्टर के अंदर जितने भी बाइकेला देरासर में जितने साधु महाराज 50 थे उनका वैक्सीनेशन किया था तो हम लोग ने वैक्सीनेशन और व्हील भी स्टार्ट कर दिया है
बॉम्बे गुड excellent thank you sir Prithviraj ji sir so Dr. Jairaj sir as you had said so our Prithviraj ji sir Mumbai zone has taken the lead and already they are working on it Dr. Sarda sir are you there
Now, may I request Dr. Arvind Narola, sir, to say a few words. Dr. Narola, sir, is a WHO consultant, and he has also joined our forum and guiding us in this venture. Dr.
He is the ex-lieutenant colonel, sir. Welcome, sir. You have been helping set up the protocol for the healthcare fraternity, so we really are privileged to have you, sir.
Sir, I won't take much of your time, but I must appreciate Jito for having taken up this activity, and I have become a part of this activity through Dr. Sancheti. And I do look forward to the fact that all of us who are in the medical profession can put in our best and achieve the goals that you all have tried to have formulated for yourself. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
We'll
sir.
count on your help, sir. Dr. Narola, sir, will continue to count on your help. Thank you. Yes.
You're welcome, sir.
Ajay ji,
Yes.
Our Dr. Lele sir, Dr. Uttare sir are busy in their operative.
Okay.
So I think we can wind up or conclude by thanking. If
Yes,
anyone
sir.
is there, if anyone
Yeah, there is Mumbai zone. Any doctors, any member of the IMA, we apologize if we forgot to recognize you. There are some lot of names which if you have not signed in as doctor, then if you can please identify yourself, any office bearer of IMA, Dr. Lele sir, Dr. Uttare. We apologize if we have missed anybody. If not, then over to the chief secretary.
Ajay ji,
Yeah.
I would just like to come for a minute. I would like to acknowledge Dr. Rajan Sancheti's role in the whole exercise, what we've started.
Yes.
And he has been right from the day one when we spoke, and as on today, he's been forefront of, getting the follow-up done. Also, made sure the app and everything is in place. So once again, from Jito Fraternity, we thank you, Dr. Rajan Sancheti, for this great help which we was able to get on board.
Sure. Thank you. And I second what Manoj ji has said. Sancheti sir, has spent hours and hours, and be it midnight or early morning, he is always there to help. Because of his help that we got introduced to Mr. Dipen Mehta. Mr. Dipen Mehta, we formally thank DigiShield for their help and the IT platform. So we really appreciate that.
Thank you, sir.
Extending the help. You are the star of the day. Thank you. Over
Thank
to
you, sir. Thank you.
Ajay ji.
Thank you. Over.
Ajay ji, just a second.
Yes, sir.
Dr. Anand Zawar wants to speak a few words.
Yes,
Can
sure.
we have him? Dr. Anand Zawar, he has raised his hand.
Yeah,
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
yeah. I am governing board member of IMA NSSS,
Yes.
and I really listened to the whole program, the speakers, and I really appreciate and admire the efforts. And I will try my level best to be the part of your program. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
you.
sir. Just
And,
a second, Ajay ji, Mr. Sanket Barale from
Yes.
DG Shield.
Yes.
He's also behind the man behind the curtain. I feel he should also say a few words, then we'll conclude.
Sure, sure.
Sanket
Please.
ji, are you there?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Sanjay sir.
Please go ahead, yes.
Ajay ji and everybody else, I'll just make it 5 seconds. We are privileged at DigiShield to have this opportunity to be a part of this noble venture. So count on us 24 hours a day. We will be there. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you. And we owe it to you. We are able to do this because of your continued help. And we have been calling Mr. Dipen 24/7 more or less, and he has never lost his patience or cool. So your team is amazing. Over to our Mumbai Zone Chief Secretary Manish Ji Jain to propose vote of thanks.
Ajay bhai, before you move, I would like to add a special congratulations, special thanks to Dipen, because he has been really phenomenal. कभी भी फोन करो, कुछ भी करो. I used to interact so very closely with Dipen. Dipen, thank you so much. आपका response भी बहुत fast था. So the kind of service level we are expecting, you are really come up to the mark. And,
Thanks a lot, sir, for your kind words.
Yeah, and other
it's proud to be a part of a Jito and have support you in technical and entire Maharashtra. We can have join hands together and we can support you and we can work together. Let us know if any issue or any requirement from your side. We will definitely help you.
Also, a word for Rajanji Sancheti. So much so that I wanted some nursing staff for one COVID center here. तो उन्होंने रात दिन एक करके मेरे को nursing staff भी provide किया. So this is the kind of level of cooperation this we got from the entire team. Thank you so much, and trust me, not one iota of doubt about this. Without your help, I mean Rajanji and Dipenji, we wouldn't have this day today. So complete thanks. We are completely thankful to you. Thank you so much.
And Dr. Jailal, formally we can say on behalf of Jito that IMA, your office bearer at Pune, is a dynamite and a star and extremely compassionate, and he has all the leadership qualities. He never bothered to see about what would he get or in terms of exposure or recognition, but whatever we wanted, he was there to help. And your office bearers are amazing. We look forward to having your backing and support to people like these. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Sure.
Sure. Thank you. Yes. Over to you, Manish Ji Jain.
Yeah.
Our Mumbai Zone Chief Secretary, sir.
Jai Jinendra, Sadar Pranam. Thank you. Thank you is the least we can say to appreciate the hard work and passion of people behind this highly important, urgent, and need of the day COVID helpline launch. We would like to thank Mr. Jailal, Dr. Gautamji Bhansali, Dr. Yogesh Ji, Dr. Sancheti Ji, Dr. Narula Ji, Dr. Anand Ji, and entire panel of IMA doctors to support Jito and in its initiative. Mr. Jailal has given snapshot on current situation in country towards people of India. We are also happy to understand from Gautamji that COVID situation is improving in Mumbai. His suggestion to overall situation is also good. Dr. Narula for his best wishes for entire initiative, and Dr. Anand and Prasanna for his unconditional support to Jito. India has shown faster recovery and lesser death rate as compared to other economies, mainly due to strong support from doctors. In this process, many doctors have lost their lives and their families, and still though doctor has refused of India. Hence, I would also like to thank entire medical system of India. I would like to thank our leadership team of Jito, Prithviraj Kothari, Joy Ji Jain, Ganpat Ji Chaudhary, Suresh Ji Mutha, Vijay Ji Jain, Paras Ji, Hitesh Ji Doshi, Manoj Ji Mehta, and Mahavir Ji Chaudhary, Siddharth Ji Bhansali, Lalit Ji Jain, CEO, Kantilal Ji, and various other chapter chairmen, secretaries, various other committee members for their and always available approach, always support for any initiatives, and always think for the people first, then their own things. And lastly, when we talk about any humanitarian work or any initiative, for that to be successful, there is always untiring and dedicated efforts of people in coordination, planning, etc., etc. I would like to thank entire team of JPF Jito Professional Forum, Ajay Ji Bora, Mirin Ji Shah, Puneet Ji Chaudhary, Dipen Ji Mehta, Mansi Ji, Sanjita Ji, and special thanks to Ajay Ji Bora for sponsoring entire cost of this COVID helpline initiative, and DG Shield team for their technology to enable us to do that. I would request everyone to give huge round of applause for Ajay ji and DigiShield team and Jito Professional Forum team. Before I end, I must say, I would like to thank everyone for sparing their valuable time for this event and helping us launch this COVID Help Initiative. Thank you, everyone, and have a wonderful Monday.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
With this, we conclude. We also want to thank Kumar Palji for his help in giving us the legal advice. He, I think, unfortunately could not join us today, but thanks to him also.
Ajay
Sancheti
bhai,
sir,
I forgot one most important aspect. Manoj ji Mehta, the kind of support he has lent in terms of oxygen, that has been phenomenal. कल भी मैंने उनको फोन किया था तो बोले कभी भी आप भेज दो, I will arrange for that. So मनोज भाई, आपको जो दुआएं मिलने वाली है इसमें से, इसका कोई कंपेयर नहीं है. एंड मेरी कांग्रेस क्या बोलूं इसके लिए, मतलब दिल से दुआ ही बोल सकती है इसके लिए, तो और तो कुछ शब्द नहीं इसके लिए. I don't have any words for this.
yes.
So
And Dr. Jailal sir, as to just to add to what Milind bhai is also saying, Dr. Jailal sir and Dr. Prasanraj ji sir, that he is our national secretary, Manoj Mehta, and he converted his steel plant into the oxygen producing unit and has been giving it free of cost to all. So that's what I'm saying. Thank you, Milind bhai. Yes.
Around 2,400 cylinders per day.
Yes, it's amazing.
That's
Yes.
phenomenal.
Prasanraj ji sir, you were asking today, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I think this particular thing, if we can find out from Jito members everywhere, how this critical oxygen can be made, because the problem is the timely supply of the oxygen. I don't know. This is a phenomenal thing. Mr. Manoj ji did it, and I think we should join hand with the IMA. This is a golden hand.
Sir, you are also in
Like,
Gurgaon, and Dr. Jailal also is there. Now you speak Telugu, you speak Tamil. Jailal sir or
Jailal sir
Prasanraj ji
speaks
sir.
Tamil. Jailal sir Tamil nalla theriyum. நான் ராஜஸ்தான் காரு நான் ஒரே ஒரு நைட்ல தமிழ் படிச்சிருக்கு சிஎம்சி வல்லூர்ல.
Thank you.
Sir, he is our veteran, part of our GPF national committee. Sir, we look forward to working closely with IMA, and Prasanraj ji sir is very well connected. We are creating a national repository of doctors also. So we look forward to having your help. And in terms of Jito infrastructure and all, Prasanraj ji can be a conduit. So locally at Delhi, he is also setting up a COVID center. Prasanraj ji sir.
Sir, we are developing 150 bedded very shortly, in line with the Bombay situation there. Except ventilator, everything will be there scientifically. Where Mr. Venkaiah Naidu has given the Andhra Bhavan also. You may be knowing, near the Sai Baba temple in Lodi Road. So today I just visited there. We are going to put about 50 beds in a matter of a week's time now. So we look forward from IMA that we would join whatever we do in health. We want to do jointly.
Sure, sir. We are fully open to that.
See, you are like more than a girlfriend, you know.
ऐसा क्यों sir?
Ajay Bora ji, I just had a call from Dr. V.K. Paul. He's a COVID task force. He's the person who is in the PMO office doing everything. Okay. And I just shared about this program now. I just said I am in a meeting in which I am inaugurating this program. He said, kindly send me a report which I can include in the...
Yeah.
That's great.
So please send...
Ajay ji, sir has told, V.K. Paul is the Niti Aayog member. He's a pediatrician from AIIMS. He was the chairman of Medical Council of India also.
Oh, wow. While you were the additional secretary there, sir? Same time?
Yeah.
Okay. So Jaipal sir, we really appreciate it. That is amazing. And Milind bhai, and we will take it forward with Dr. Sancheti ji. Milind bhai?
Yeah, certainly. That will be a great thing.
Please send us a report so that we will be forwarding that to them. That is this kind of work is going on. So that kind of things can be replicated in other parts also.
Sure, absolutely.
Prasanraj sir can also put a word to V.K. Paul that this today.
Yeah.
Sir, for the Martis, it was heartwarming. Meaning it was really some I don't know what word to use, but very sad to know that they have lost 116 doctors, because last time we spoke yesterday. Since then, many more got added.
Yes,
so we would it's very sad and unfortunate. However, from our side, we will just figure out. We'll take your help, and to come back to you within the next couple of weeks as to in which way can we play some little, some role in. Yes, sure.
Sure. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
It's
you, sir.
really-
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Jailal.
सर सबको जय जिनेंद्र,
See,
धन्यवाद.
Jai is built in Jai Lal.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. And Dr.
Thank you,
Narula sir also will continue to count on your help.
Thank you, Narula ji. Thank you, Narula ji.
Ajay ji,
Bansali,
the last, in front of President sir,
My pleasure.
I would like to request you to have a wellness center, as I think Dr. Gautam ji, Bansali ji has told. We can have a lot of wellness centers in Jito, and so also we can do, I would say, pan India, this COVID helpline. So we can assure our president that we'll do whatever assistance can be done from Jito. We'll do it from the IMS also. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks,
Thank
Yogesh.
you,
Thank you,
Yogesh.
everyone.
Thank you, Yogesh. Thank you, Gautam ji. Thank you, Yogesh.
अजय जी MP छत्तीसगढ़ को भी जोड़ लीजिए प्लीज.
Thanks a
sir,
lot.
yeah. By the way, sir,
Thanks
we
a
have
lot.
also the MP Madhya Pradesh Chhattisgarh Zone Chairman Kamlesh Sojatia joining here. So
Sir.
Sancheti sir, एक मिनट संचेती सर एंड आपको बंसाली सर आप तो जानते होंगे, उनकी इंट्रोडक्शन कर देता हूँ. Kamlesh ji is a very active member and as the zone chairman, unprecedented thing has been doing over Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, where it's not in terms of the infrastructure, it is still developing, but sir has even taken over some hospitals and set up COVID centers. He's an integral part and our mentor all along. So he has also indicated his support. Sir, we will do things together.
Yeah. Thank
You
you.
have been always a partner, sir. Thank you for joining in. Yes. Thank you, sir. Yeah.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.
everyone. Thank you so much.
अभी जा राउंड पे आ जाओ. कोविड आईसीयू चलते हैं ना जल्दी.
So, Ajay ji, this is now live.